Hi everyone, this is Kripa from SNS College of Technology in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. In this video series, we are going to get into the information called Introduction to IO Streams in Java. So we start with our session. So first one is, what is IO streams in Java? IO is nothing but an input and output streams. Okay, are used for reading and writing data to files, network connections, and other data sources and sinks. So Java provides a comprehensive set of classes for handling IO operations. Understanding this stream is crucial for effective Java programming. So why do we use this ion streams? Ion stream is a specified stream for working with int values, offering methods for processing elements, performing calculations, and generating statistics. So we can able to conclude it like in Java, IO streams are used to handle the flow of data between a program and a source or a destination such as a file, the console, or a network connection. Okay, a stream is a sequence of data, and the Java IO package provides provides a set of classes for managing these operations effectively. What is a core concept here is input stream, output stream, and sequential access. What is input stream? Which is used to read data from the source into the Java program. So it is simple. So whatever the data which are read by the source from the source is called input stream, which is directly opposite to the output stream. Output stream is used to write data from the Java program to a destination. So that is called output stream. What is sequential access? Streams support sequential access, meaning data is read or written in a continuous flow, not randomly. Okay, there are different types of streams actually. So each one have a different categories, but basically there are two categories of streams. So we will go further in this our session. So next is basically how a stream works in the sense is a sequence of characters with functions to take characters out of one end and put characters into the other end. In this case of input output stream, one end of the stream is connected to a physical IO device such as a keyboard or a display. So this is how basically a method of input output stream in Java works. Okay, so there are different types of streams I have already discussed. So we will start with the first stream, which is nothing but our byte stream. There are different types of streams actually. So first one is byte stream. Byte stream handle uh, raw binary data such as images, audios, videos, or any files. So they read and write data byte by byte. Okay, so it is ideal for handling raw binary data. So example classes like input stream, output stream, file input stream, file output stream. So when it is going to work is like working when with non-text files. Okay, and then character streams. So character streams are used for text data. They support Unicode. Okay, so Unicode, we know that there are different types of codes and proper character encoding. So they read and write character by character. Okay, example like a reader, writer, file writer. When we are going to use this character stream is reading or writing a text file. Okay, the next one is buffered streams. Buffered streams improve performance by storing data in a buffer before reading or writing. So this reduces the number of IO operations and makes programs faster. Like example, buffered input stream, buffered output streams, buffered reader, buffer writer. These are all buffer streams. So when we are going to use this handling large amount of data efficiently. Okay, the final is data stream. So data stream are used to read and write primitive data types. We all know that what is primitive data types, like an integer, float, double, boolean. These are also uh, primitive data types. We will use this kind of data types over data streams. So they store data in a machine independent format. So example for these classes are like data input stream, data output stream. When we are using this, saving and retrieving primitive data types or primitive values. Okay, I will just recall like byte stream uses working with non-text files like images, videos, or any normal audio files. Okay, character streams reading and writing text files. Okay, which is they read and write character by character. And then buffered streams handling large amount of data efficiently. Okay, and then data stream, they store data in a machine independent format. So actually read and write primitive data types. Okay, so I will just gonna recall what we have discussed now so far. So initially, what we have discussed is Java IO, which is a collection of classes and streams in a Java IO package. IO is nothing but an input and output. Okay, that handled reading data from sources like files, keyboard, or any network, and writing data to destination like files, consoles, or sockets. It provides both byte and character streams to support all the data types. Okay, before exploring various input and output streams, there are three used default streams that Java provide, which is system in, system out, system error. Okay, so system in the sense this is a standard input stream that is used to read characters from the keyboard or any other standard input devices. So system out, this is a standard output stream that is used to provide the results of a program or on an output device like the computer wherever the screen is opening. So next one is system err, which is standard error so stream that is used to display error messages separately from the original or normal output. So hope you guys understood this session. In the next session we will discuss on uh, byte stream and character stream and then standard IO streams. So IO streams hierarchical diagram. So that's all for this session. Thank you.